Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So now give my review for the teaser announcement for Rajinikanth's Jailer 2. So now give my thoughts on the teaser announcement for Jailer 2, which stars the legends Rajinikanth, superstar. So the much awaited teaser of Rajinikanth's Jailer 2 released on Tuesday, and excitement from fans and movie goers alike. The teaser, almost 4 minutes long, is set in Goa and features Nelson, Dilip Kumar, and Anirudh chilling in a house. They are then interrupted by some goons who are later killed, following which Rajinikanth makes an impactful entry. The superstar can be seen donning a blood soaked white shirt as he carries a gun in one hand and a sword in the another hand. Soon after the Jailer 2 teaser announcement was out, social media users could not wait to share their take. Netizens were thrilled by the trailer, especially Talawa's entry into the scene. They also said that the film has the potential to be the first 1000 crore grosser from the Tamil film industry. Jailer 1 craze hype building in North Part 1 awareness and reach has been massive. Just need to take care of the national chains. Release Hindi version and records will be shattered left and right. It's not just a film, it's a legacy carved in gold. The promo of Jailer 2 alone proves why no one can even match the legendary stardom of Rajinikanth. The man, the myth, the legend. One only man, Rajinikanth, can give you goosebumps. Ever with his shadow silhouette in world cinema. Those eyes damp, they arrest you in you for a lifetime. Jailer 2 is a wholesome universe. Is promoted well. If the film promoted well, Jailer 2 could open a phenomenal note and cross in North India. The announcement is truly phenomenal. Rajinikanth's unmatchable swag, style, and charisma set the screen on fire. I just love Nelson's promo style. Jailer 2 might give 1000 crore to Kollywood. मजा आने वाला है. Can't wait to see this combo on screen again. From being trolled for Beast to delivering an international hit with Jailer, and now directing again with Rajini for Jailer 2. Nelson has come a long way. Directed by Nelson Dilip Kumar, Jailer 2 is the sequel of the 2023 blockbuster film Jailer. Rajinikanth will reprise his role as Tiger Muthuwal Pananian, and Yogi Baba will be also seen reprising his role in Jailer 2, which is brilliant. Media reports suggest that Mohanlal and Shivrang Kumar will likely feature in the cameo roles in the film. Moreover, speculations are rift that Telugu actor Nandi Muri Balakrishna could make a cameo appearance as a fairy cop. At present, the film is in pre-production and it is likely to release in 2026. Absolutely मजा आ गया. Rajinikanth's entry, the way his eyes tell you everything, the swag, the style, the legend, the legendary as a superstar. Rajinikanth is not gonna give another superb, phenomenal blockbuster of a sequel called Jailer 2. And Rajinikanth sir will smash all the left and right corners at the box office. And this film is going to be another tsunami blockbuster. Trust me on this one. This film will smash all the records, even smash Jailer 1's records as well, in my opinion. Because Rajinikanth has that swag, that aura, the style, the looks, everything. Absolutely मजा आ गया. पैसा वसूल, absolutely fantastic. That's what I like about Rajinikanth's entry in this teaser announcement of Jailer 2. Like Jailer first was a tsunami blockbuster, and this will be another tsunami blockbuster at the box office. So we have to wait to 2026. Yeah, cannot wait. Very excited. And the announcement teaser is outstanding, fantastic. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. 5 out of 5 for Rajinikanth's entry, and his look, his swag, everything. Brilliant. And the teaser announcement, 4 out of 5. I loved it. Absolutely loved it. Fantastic. It's gonna hit the bullseye once again at the box office. एकदम मजा आ गया, एकदम पैसा वसूल, brilliant. No one can match the legacy of Rajinikanth sir. Superb, 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 phenomenal, fantastic. And this film has the potential to fetch 1,000 crore in Kollywood, in Tamil cinema. Trust me on this one. This film is going to be huge successful, like the first part. Excuse me. ये फिल्म another बढ़िया blockbuster होने वाली है. It will even break the records of Jailer 1 even. Where the looks like of this. Absolutely fantastic. 4 out of 5 for the teaser announcement. 5 out of 5 for Rajinikanth's entry in the teaser. एकदम बढ़िया, एकदम fantastic. मजा आ गया. पैसा वसूल, सीटी मार, Tollywood clap. Absolutely fantastic. अभी तो टीजर आया, अभी तो ट्रेलर आएगा, फिर फिल्म आएगी. धमाका धमाका धमाका. Who's धमाका man? Who's धमाका? अभी तो पिक्चर बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. सो अभी पिक्चर आएगी, धमाका करेगी at the box office. This film will smash the records at the box office. I'm telling you, Jailer 1 was brilliant. Jailer 2 is going to be next level, high level madness at the box office come 2026. Absolutely fantastic. Loved it. Loved it. 4 out of 5 for the teaser announcement for Jailer 2. 5 out of 5 for the legendary, the aura, the swag, the style, the legendary, proper real legend, Rajinikanth sir. No one can match his aura, his swag, his style. Is brilliant. He's brilliant. And he's entertaining his fans, his audiences. He's entertaining since the 80s, 90s time in Bollywood. He's doing well in his Telugu market, in Telugu cinema, in Kollywood cinema, I would say. Absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. Another blockbuster होने वाली है. 100%. This is going to be another tsunami blockbuster. Jailer 2 comes. थोड़ेगी फोड़ेगी सब कुछ करेगी है. आग लगा देगी सिनेमा घर में, आग लगा देगी है पिक्चर. जब पिक्चर आएगी, अभी तो पिक्चर बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. अभी ट्रेलर फुल आएगा, पिक्चर आएगी. अभी तो पिक्चर बाकी आने वाली है. मैंने क्या go mentalness at the box office, go madness at the box office. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. 4 out of 5 for the teaser announcement. Jailer 2, 5 out of 5 for the legend Rajinikanth sir entry in the teaser. Brilliant. Loved it. Cannot wait for this excitement to happen. This is going to be another box office records, cash registers left and right. ये फिल्म तो सबकी रिकॉर्ड तोड़ेगी. I'm telling you, this film has all the potential to break all the blockbuster record. It will be another blockbuster. You never know, in the future we make the third part. I would like to see that. This film is going to be another tsunami, I would say. And I would love to see if they make the third part of this film series of universe. I would like to see them expand this universe of Jailer movie. I'm telling you. Yeah, I can. This film can make blockbuster records. Trust me. Just like Pushpa 2 did of 2024. This is going to be 2026 blockbuster tsunami picture of Rajinikanth's legacy. He will left a legacy with this character. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So there you go. That's my honest thoughts. Reaction for Rajinikanth's Jailer 2 teaser announcement. Brilliant. So there you go. Hope you like, subscribe, and share and comment. And I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.